Understanding HVAC Delta T is key when you're trying to figure out why your heat pump's heating feels different at 50 degrees outside than at 30 degrees. So, here's the thing. Delta T is just the difference between the air temperature going into your system and the air coming out after it's heated. When it's 50 degrees outside, your heat pump can grab more heat from the air because it's warmer, so the temperature jump inside, the Delta T, is usually bigger. At 30 degrees, there's less heat in the outdoor air, so your system struggles more to pull heat in, making that temperature rise inside smaller. To keep your system running smooth, make sure your air filters are clean because clogged filters make your Delta T drop. Also, check if your refrigerant levels are right. Too low, and your heat pump won't work efficiently. Try to keep vents open and unobstructed so the warm air flows freely. Blocked vents mess with your indoor temperature. Another tip, if your outdoor unit is packed with snow or ice, clear it off to keep heat exchange working well. And remember, Delta T readings can vary based on your home's insulation and how airtight it is, so don't freak out if numbers jump around a bit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T readings is assuming a lower number means their heat pump is broken. Actually, it could just be colder outside with less heat to grab. Fix that by checking outdoor temps and knowing what to expect at different times. Another common issue is neglecting regular maintenance like air filter changes and coil cleaning. Dirty parts kill your heat pump's efficiency and mess with Delta T. Lastly, some folks forget that closed or blocked vents cause uneven heating and weird Delta T numbers. Keeping those vents clear fixes airflow problems and balances indoor temps better. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need work done, making sure everyone finds the right match.